Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing it's like a quick glam. The face is anyway. It's like my soft beat, so to say, even though it don't look that way just because of the eyes. But the face is the soft beat, and my eyes is giving, yeah, it's like a go-to extra glam for me. So I added the yellow liner, the white eyeliner under the eye. Yeah, it's giving like extra glam. Okay, so that's what we're giving today, a soft face with an extra eye. Okay, it turned out really cute. I love it. I didn't talk during this tutorial, so we just go, watch. Okay, watch the greatness go on. But the palette I used is the Morphe 35X palette. It's a very brown palette, just nudes. That's all. You can use any palette to get this look. The pigment on my eyes is from Jlarue in the shade Bliss. The yellow liner is from Jlarue Cosmetics. It's their pastel eyeliners. And yeah, that's really it. Like, the look was really simple. Okay, it didn't take too much. All right, love it. So if you want to see how this look, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Comment, like, share, all that good stuff. And I will see you in my next video.
Hey, whoa, hey, hey, yeah. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virtue, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up, and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen.
Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. It seems like I get so much and don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking wet. Always get caught up in love, but I ain't going back. I can't get caught up in love, so now, yeah. Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty, tiny Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch in the shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the road. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own clothes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah, bitch.
Hey, whoa, hey, Hey, yeah. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virtue, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. It seems like I get so much and don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I ain't done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now, yeah. Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch in the shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own clothes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah, bitch.